Happy birthday, Rylee!
Rockin Adventurer.
May mga bisita na oh. Kasi natin yan. Happy birthday, Rylee! So, nasa Mars Garden na kami eh.
With your loved ones, families, and friends right here on this Rylee'S birthday party. Thank you so much.
Dear Lord, our Father, we gather here today with hearts full of gratitude and joy as we celebrate the first birthday of our beloved child, Rylee. We thank you for the precious gift of life that Rylee embodies and for the countless blessings that have filled her days. We reflect on the past year, the milestones achieved, and the lessons learned. We are grateful for the growth and development that she has experienced, both physically and emotionally. May these experiences shape her character and guide her towards a future filled with love, wisdom, and purpose. As we come together to honor Rylee, we ask for your divine blessings to surround her, grant her health, happiness, and strength in the year ahead. May her journey be filled with endless possibilities, joyful moments, and abundant opportunities to learn and explore.
Rylee!
Higher, ready, higher. Table number 1. Anyone, ma'am? What title? What title of this music? Congratulations, Despacito! Very good. Get it right, huh? Very good.
Buti, ay pakalo ka na eh.
Paano mo ito daw, Mami? Mami, pwede ka ba magbigay sa akin ng name na 5 titas or namis? Yes, or ates. Pwede rin po sa mga ates, Mami. Mga teenager po, ha? Okay. Ma'am Pao, where are you, Ma'am Pao? Gosun, where are you?
Beng!
Sino
Beng!
go, Mami?
Beng!
Nina Mendez. Ma'am Nina Mendez, please join me on stage. Last two, Mami. Yung mga Mami, mga mabibilis tumakbo, ha? Kasi we have a running games. Catherine, where are you, Catherine? Catherine, where are you, Catherine? And Sigrid. Catherine and Sigrid, where are you guys? Where are they? Okay, lahat mo tinawag. Ma'am, dito po tayo. Dalawang lane po, dalawang lane. Yan. Guys, sabihin mo na ito, bawal po magpulakan. Okay? Okay? Yes. And because we have a race to 2, ha? Race 2, 3, and go! Come on, guys, come on. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Go, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Fast, yeah, very good. Come on, Mommy. Very good, very good. Very good, that's it. Yeah. Mas mabilis pa, mas mabilis. Go! Go, 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 go. Yeah. Yeah. Ang bibilis naman ng mga pangit ito. Kailangan namin. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Don't forget, yung sinigaw ng happy birthday, okay? Wow! Come on, guys! Very good! Alright! That's enough. Very good. Example game pa lang yun, ha, guys? And I see the camera. Alright, the walking shot. 1, 2, 3, walking! Thank you so much. And next one, family naman po ni Mami. Yan, parents, si Mami and Daddy. Eh, naman ni Mami pala. Once again, guys, you can form more snake line to our buffet area. Ready? Bye! Ready? Walking shot! Alright, walking shot. 1, 2, 3, walking! Alright, thank you so much. Table number 4. Where are they? Table number 9. Please stand by right here. Table number 9. Come on, guys. One more time, say hi. Hi. Wow. And this second, you know what? You can touch it. Come on, touch it, touch it, touch it. Come on, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Don't be shy. Very good. How about the other kids? Come on. Wow, thank you so much. Be nice, kids. Be nice. Hello, stand up.
Happy birthday, Rylee. Happy birthday, Rylee. Yay!
There we go.
Happy birthday.
Wow. All right, kids. How many birds? How many birds? Okay, never mind. One more, kids. I have a lot of magic ones right here on this suitcase, but this time I will show you one of my largest magic ones. Are you guys ready? Say yes. Yes. Pinali mo naman. Pantan. All you have to do is the holy magic one. Very good. And raise up. Taas mo siya. And huwag pinagalaw. Okay? Stay still. Don't move. No matter what happened, don't move. Very good. And this time I will tell you the mechanics of this magic trick. All you have to do is hold the magic one right here. Let me just like this one. Very good. That's it. And where's the magic one? Rama! Hey! 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 Ano ginawa mo dito para sa akin? Okay, don't worry kids. I can fix this. But this time, gagawin mo hihipan mo lang siya. Kaya ganito. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow. Sabi na hihipan mo. Ano yun? One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow. How about this one?
Good.
2, 3, and smile. Very good. I see the camera right here at the front. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, say happy birthday. Make it louder. Everybody, watch this. Very good. Yes, lovely. Yes, everyone. Alright. Thank you so much. Ready? 1, 2. Very good. Take a bow. Right. Take a bow. Right. Ready? Huh? Sorry. 1, 2, and bow. Lovely. Yes, everyone. Right. And music. Wala nang music. Wow! Bakit? Ano nangyari? Ang dami kong gawin. Hindi mga ugly yan. Mga bata yan. Ha? Oo. Okay, guess what? 8 years old. Wow, 8 years old. Kids. One more! With lovely head and with his heart. Happy birthday. One more. Make it louder. Once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Friends and relatives. Come on, guys.
Nandyan, tapos si mama at papa na galing pang Aklan na gusto pumunta dito. Thank you mapa, thank you mami daddy. At mga tito tita namin syempre. At yung mga pinsan ni Rio, mga sa side niya, mga tito tita namin. At yung mga kawork niya, mga kaibigan niya. Saka yung kay Ninong Fury dahil malayo pa talaga nakarating. At sa kapatid ko, sabi ako na talagang pinilit na lang makapunta dito. Sa lahat, salamat. Thank you rin po sa inyo po sa host, sa food cart, sa photography, sa decoration. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you. At sa Mars din po. Sa Mars. Thank you.
Lovely hands, everyone. Thank you so much, Mami and Daddy. And you may now go back to the field.